Hi, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed, here to demonstrate how to make a Kamikaze Shooter. So take your shaker, add some ice, and this is going to be vodka, triple sec, and lime juice. So you do 1 ounce of vodka. You can use your jigger if you like. If you're not comfortable free pouring yet, use your jigger. 1/2 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Shake it until it's nice and cold. Now, if you work in a college bar or a cantina or something like that, you'll make a ton of Kamikaze Shooters. Pour it into your shot glass. And there you have it. That's a Kamikaze Shooter. Again, I'm Eddie the Bartender with liquorexam.com and bartender-themed. If you're interested in apparel like this, head over to bartender-themed. We carry a full line of sweatshirts, hoodies, hats, t-shirts, and tank tops. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.